Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you multiple ways to decorate sourdough bread. Sourdough bread is a delicious and versatile bread that can be enjoyed in many different ways. And it's also a great canvas for decoration. One of the most common ways to decorate sourdough bread is by scoring it. Scoring is the process of making cuts in the dough before baking. This helps the bread to rise evenly and also gives it a beautiful design. To score your sourdough bread, you'll need a sharp blade, such as a lame or razor blade. You can use a variety of different patterns and designs, but some popular options include simple slashes, leaves, wheat stalks, flowers, geometric designs. When scoring your bread, be careful not to cut too deep. You want to make sure that the cuts are deep enough to allow the bread to rise, but you don't want to cut all the way through the dough. Toppings. Another way to decorate sourdough bread is by adding toppings. If you're new to decorating sourdough bread, start with simple designs. Once you're more comfortable, you can try more complex patterns. Be careful not to over-decorate your bread. You want to make sure that the bread is still functional and easy to eat. If you're using toppings, be sure to use food-safe ingredients. If you're drawing on your bread, use a food-safe marker or pen. Have fun and be creative. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you try any of these decorating techniques, be sure to tag me on social media so I can see your creations.